Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can review safety, security or like that options in the Messenger. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account and go to main menu and then go to settings and then scroll up. You will see over here safety and privacy or privacy and safety. Click on that and then you will see over here security checkups. Click on that and then you will see over here some of the options over here, contact information, password as well, and turn on safe website browsing. So click on that or check these actions and allow them to get up to date. So I want to turn this on and get save my messenger account. So click on that and check it out if you don't want to get all your passwords or information on messenger, like when someone sends you a message and when you click on that and you get scammed. So to save from that messages, check it out all the checkups or security checkups over here and then click on done, and then now your account is secured from every single scam on messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.